Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to breaking news. Atkins United Kingdom London based MNC off campus hiring for India candidates, and it is a member of SNC Lavian Group. 24, 23, 22 to 20 batch can easily apply. This is one of the biggest off campus hiring because this is a superset official hiring. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, many courses is eligible, and civil, mechanical, ECE, electrical as well as the computer science IT branches are eligible. Atkins is a British multinational engineering design and planning company, and it is a top MNC. Okay, so basically Atkins is hire for the India graduates. So basically there are so many roles that is related to intern structure, intern civil highway, geotechnical architecture, trainee application developer, BIM designer, graduate engineer only for 22 pass out, trainee application life cycle. There are so many different role opportunity. Suppose we have to check the trainee, first we have to check the trainee application life cycle engineer. So you can see this page is open on the Superset platform and you can easily apply. Last date is 8 May, package is 4 LPA. If you have a bachelor's of engineering in computer science or information IT, so you can join the Atkins office. Okay, basically this is one of the best hiring because they want qualification in skills as a excellent verbal and written communication skills. Okay, so what we offer as Atkins, opportunity to work on various projects, group insurance, competitive salary. Okay, so this is all about that. You have to click on apply now button and apply for this opportunity. What about the civil engineers and the mechanical engineers hiring? So you have to check each and every role for your particular course, because in this course, in this hiring, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA, diploma can easily apply. So basically this is a designer and graduates engineer. So if you have a diploma in civil, mechanical or electrical, or BTech in civil, electrical or mechanical, you can apply if you are graduated in 2021-22. So you have to click on apply now button and apply for this opportunity. So this is related to graduate engineer electrical and so this is related to graduate civil engineer highways. So this is one of the best opportunity, and intern opportunities for the 2023 batch. You have to check one of the best opportunity for the freshers batch, as well as you can check all the opportunity that is related to this hiring. Okay, they even mention that what is your graduation engineering degree and what is the timeline and deadline. Some packages are 4.6 LPA, some packages are 4 LPA. So tech in civil engineering graduating this year. So this is officially for the 2023 batch. I hope this video is useful for everyone. In the upcoming video, we will talk about the application process and next process. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching the video.